If you're like me and you don't like to fall to your death like this, then stick around, because I got something to show you. Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you with my trusty pet penguin that I just let in how to make a potion that will prevent what you just saw happening, and that, my friends, would be a feather fall potion. So let's just crack on with this tutorial. Alright? Right now? Alright. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 day bloom, 1 blink root, and 1 feather. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass. To craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any amount of water and craft bottled water in the potions section. To get a day bloom, you will need to go to an overgrown pure green grass biome and swing your sword like a maniac, or you can get, or after you get that, and you can get, after you have day bloom seeds, you could make a day bloom farm with grass and pots and stuff like that. To get blink roots, you can usually find them growing underground where there's no grass, on plain dirt and mud. Or you can make a blink root farm the same as day blooms, in pots or on plain dirt. To get a feather, you kill some harpies. That's pretty much it. You go to the space biome, kill some birds. So let's make this thing. As you can see, a Featherfall potion's ingredients are also the ingredients for an adult potion, with the exception of the feather. And the tooltips for the Featherfall potion are consumable, slows falling speed, and has a 5-minute duration. You make this on a alchemy station. To get an alchemy station, you place an empty bottle on a workbench. So, as you can see, I crafted that. I'm going to take off my jetpack to demonstrate how effective this is in a bit, but just to show you, when you have a jetpack or any form of wings, you do not take damage. So I took that off, and I did not fall far enough to actually take damage. So let's just fly higher with my lightning boots, frostbark boots actually. But as you can see, I took about 100 damage there, just from that little fall. We don't want that to happen, so if you use a Featherfall potion, you also fly higher, because you don't have the gravity pulling you down as hard, and you go down way slower. And there is a little tip for you who doesn't like to fall too slow. Just push down. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out. See you later, folks.